AI filmmaking just got stupidly fast because you can take one storyboard image and turn it into a full multi-shot video sequence. No more generating every shot separately. No more prompt, pray, regenerate. In this video, I'll show you the exact workflow I'm using in Higgsfield, from building a character reference using my own photo, to generating a storyboard AI actually follows, to turning it into a full sequence in minutes. Fast? Yes. Perfect? Not always, but it's stupidly useful. By the way, I'm Alex, and if you want all my AI workflows, prompt packs, and tools like this, you can join our AI creator community. Links in the description. Let's dive in. All right, open Higgsfield. Step 1. Go to the image section and pick GPT Image 2. Now, if you want the character to stay consistent, here's the move. I upload a few clear photos of myself. Front, side, back, and a medium shot front-facing angle. Good lighting, nothing fancy. Then I generate a character sheet. Think of it like a "this is the person" guide for the AI, so it stops changing your face every scene. You can skip this, but if you do, your character might randomly transform mid-video, so I recommend doing it. Now we make the storyboard. I use the storyboard prompt builder from Jack vs. AI to create my story. I tell it the style I want, what the scene is, and what happens in each moment. Then it gives me a clean storyboard prompt that's already structured the right way. This is the storyboard prompt you paste into your LLM with your character sheet image uploaded. Then write a short prompt to describe the scene, clothes, theme. As you can see, it gives you a detailed prompt to paste on the Higgsfield image generation. I copy that storyboard prompt and paste it back into GPT Image 2 inside Higgsfield. Quick tip, if you can, generate your storyboard in higher quality because a sharper storyboard usually makes the final video come out better. Now generate the storyboard. When it's done, I do a quick check. Does it look like one story? Does the style match across all panels? And does the character still look like me? Sometimes one panel will look off, like it suddenly changes style or looks weird. If that happens, don't start over. Just edit that one panel and tell it something simple like, "Make this panel match the others. Same style, same face, no words on the image." All right, now the storyboard is ready. Step 3. Turn the storyboard into a full video. Go to the video section in Higgsfield and open Seedance 2. Upload the storyboard. Then the video prompt can be short because the storyboard is doing most of the work. I use something like, "Use this storyboard to make a full multi-shot video. Keep the same style, no text." If I want sound, I keep it simple too. Real sounds only, no background music. Now generate. Quick honesty moment. The video won't always match your storyboard perfectly, frame by frame. It usually follows the big moments, but it might change the exact camera view a bit. That's normal. Okay, now that you've seen the full method, let me show you how I reuse the exact same workflow for 3 different story styles. Sample 1, 1980s anime theme park adventure. Same identity for my photos, but now it's bold lines, cell shading, punchy colors, that classic retro vibe. Storyboard beats are like an anime intro. Theme park entrance, excited reaction shots, running through the park, roller coaster drama, spinning ride chaos, winning a prize at an arcade, and a warm sunset, ending with the park lights glowing. Sample 2, Pixar-style dad and toddler story. This one is wholesome and funny. I'm a huge muscular dad with tattoos, but I'm super gentle with my toddler daughter. She sits me down like I'm her customer, and she puts makeup on me. You get the cute close-ups. Brush on the cheek, lipstick gets a little messy. I'm trying not to laugh. Then it turns sweet with a hug and a warm ending shot. Sample 3, gardening. This one is calm and satisfying. We start with the garden tools and soil, then planting seeds, watering, close-ups of hands working, the first little sprouts coming up, and a final shot showing the garden looking fresh and alive, like a mini transformation story. Now, one more real talk tip. Tiny details can sometimes change between shots. like tattoos shifting a bit, or small objects moving. If you want the best result, run it twice, and keep the better version. That's the easiest upgrade. Quick plan note, because this changes how fast you can test ideas. Higgsfield has 3 plans. Basic is $5 a month, billed yearly, Plus is $49, and Ultra is $99. And if you pay yearly, there's a toggle that shows 30% off. The main difference is how many videos you can run at the same time. Basic lets you run 2, Plus lets you run 6, and Ultra lets you run 8. So Basic is great to learn the workflow. But if you're doing lots of tests and reruns, Plus or Ultra makes everything feel way faster. If you want to go from idea, storyboard, full sequence fast, this Higgsfield workflow is absolutely worth learning. If you want the exact copy-paste prompts I used, I'll drop them inside our school community along with a checklist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.